John. Don't try and go inside them here, because it's no time on to starboard with the so what I'm saying is they dive onto starboard with the foot, so we need to get the other side of them is what I'm saying. So we I know, but we don't want to jive, is what I'm saying, so we need to the other side of them. We need to come up. Start getting the pole back now. Leave it there, until we've got a chance to go above them. Come up above them. We're going to jive. Come up above them. Big up, John. No, honestly, John, believe me. Come up above them, honestly. Honestly, believe me.
Big jive one style, we're going to have to.
Okay, I know. Just go pole right back now then. Pole right. No, don't bring the pole back. The pole's coming up. We want to jive. That's why I wanted to come up early and go behind them. No, that's it. Just they can't jive, they're too close. They're off. That's it.
Reset. Yellow sheep drum.
What I'm trying to say is no, they can't. They wouldn't have done though. That's what I'm trying to say. If we'd gone above them, they wouldn't have done this. We wanted them to jive. That's it. We can run much deeper. Just come deeper, John. Those need to go up further. Let's get distracted as well. Hold back. Trying to ride the lead. That's it. That's good. Oh, you see? Oh shit. Don't worry.
Oh shit, half-board this way.
Don't worry, he's just getting a big horn. Okay, that is brilliant now, brilliant. Just leave it like that. No, don't. Just keep going as deep as you can there. We'll naturally come out the tide anyway, won't we?
Happy to sail on the channel for both the channel.
What I'm saying is, trim on, Josh, trim on. What I'm saying is, they can't sail as deep as us. So I think we just go as deep as we can here now.
I'm picking up the ship. Planning for it now.
But we'll be behind the green. Concentrate on our sailing, please. We're losing a bit here, we really are.
What the plan is, are we staying on the other side of the green?
Yeah, we are. We're going inshore. Come down a bit, John. Come down. That's it. We're good now. See, when they jive, they're going to be behind us, yeah? Because they can't run as deep.
Yeah. Come over the tide line now. Good for us.
That's it. Keep going this way. That's all we need to do.
I'll put the radio channel scroll. Watch it through. I'll try and make it. Go to the other side of it, hold on.
That's it. Too low, come up a bit. So then you see your index. Wind's dropping lighter, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're going to jive in a minute and they'll be behind us, I'm convinced of it. There's Dingle now. Dingle there. Yeah, yeah. See, they got caught out last time, so they're never going to make the same mistake again, were they? There's Bromber. Yeah, we're the right side of the tide line now.
I think his name is Sam Swan.
Who is?
Your tug coming out before the ship. Yeah, we'll be out the channel, so we'll be able to do it.
Problem is, we're going to drive. Are you struggling now, John, with it or not? Are you struggling to keep the pace or not? Because we could go forward and you come up a little bit. Come on a little bit, Josh. Wind's dropping funny here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. I still think we're way ahead of them when they jive. There's Dingle.
There's Dingle, solid yellow, just to the left of the two grains.
So we're not far off a jive there. Trim on, Josh. Go down. Happens, John. Go down because it'll keep the breeze in it. That's it. Not much tide on that, is there?
A little bit, but not drastic.
Well, after Dingle, where are we?
Dingle is G3, over to G3. So once we jive, we'll just be dropping hard enough.
If we were to drive now,
I think we could jive now and just run really deep. I agree. I think we jive now and run really deep and just go around Bromborough.
Not best to get
No, honestly, we'll be at that angle. We'll be at that angle. We'll be at that angle. We'll be able to still be out the tide if we jive now. We're going completely the wrong way now, aren't we? We need to jive. You ready about? No, I've got the boom. Don't worry. Just concentrate, John. We need to jive before then.
Are you ready?
No, we need to spin it first. Are you ready? Go now. Hey, John. They're jibing as well. Keep it low. No, don't go high. Keep low. That's it.
House on the yellow. House on the yellow. House on the yellow. Well, keep going, Jerome.
Right, now trim on. Right, just go for Bromborough now, right? Ease it forward, Jerome. Ease it forward a little bit. Yeah, bit more. Head for Bromborough, we'll stay out the time. We'll get to Bromborough and then we'll go over to the boys. Come lower. No, it's because we've come up, haven't we? If we'd have jived normally and gone in there, we'd still be going in. Oh yeah, definitely.
Mike,
because we'll have tide.
Concerns the ship and the tug. You've got a bit of pace on that. Are we going to be the one starting?
Okay, where's the mark?
The mark is here. Unless we go over now and we'll get it set over, we're going to be fucked. We really are going to be fucked. Unless we go now and get it.
We go over now.
We can go on hard enough.
Hard enough. Put it forward, Josh. Put it forward. Put the guy forward. Guy forward. Go now. The guy forward.
Yeah, we're on forward, yeah. Back there, well, back there.
Now, you've got too far there. Don't come up a little bit. No, don't come back to the pole. We've got to get over. That's good. We're not fucked if we don't go now, you're right. Just have to run deep down to it. We're good. If we keep at that pace, we're good. Right? Now this is right to the rail. So we'll be really good, I think. We're going fast. Right? Try and get a chance if you can through the building behind. You have to come up, So we're talking to them. Pushing you up. Stop a little bit. That's it. Sorry? No, just see what happens. I think we're going okay at the moment.
We are, but we've got to get out the way of the ship, I
think we're going to do it. We're flying down here. Honestly, just keep it back.
Adam, just listen. We're only just going to stand on. We are going to push inside.
We are. What I'm trying to say is, we've got to get worse and worse. If we go over there, we've got no chance.
Well, we can shorten our distance.
We are, but what's going to happen is we'll have to run deep down to that boy. What did he say?
He's fine, he's happy.
He's happy, that's fine. Come down a bit more. I'm really struggling with this, honestly, you know. Tries to get stronger and stronger. The lower you can go, the better. I know I'm coming to go further left. The reason being, the size of get stronger.
I couldn't probably go further left, but we're not going to the channel split. We just have to go to the priority, not to the channel.
It's going to chance it for them. Flying across. I think we're okay. Way back, stand behind us. Daydream's the one who's got more problems than us. good, yeah, you can do that, that's good. The only fear is anything slower than us. If you end up going too far, you'll be running down to the mark, but it's dead slow. You know what I'm trying to say? Get pace on it. And the lure dropping this, no, don't want to lure drop it, don't we? Yeah. How's the crew heights on that now? They got the rope all the way down there.
Come down a little bit.
And now, pardon. Maybe we have to start thinking about the jib in it then. On the right side.